So, it's Tyler Krumpiatek, your Digital Media Arts Lab assistant. Today I'm going to show you how to FTP into your site using CyberDuck. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up CyberDuck. Alright, you can see I have a bunch of bookmarks already. Don't worry about them right now. If you have your own computer, you can make your own bookmarks. But for right now, we're just going to go to this thing right here, and we're going to do Open Connection. And since we are doing our ComDMA, we're going to do ftp.comdma.com. That's fine. Username. Your username is going to be your Canisius username plus @comdma.com. So it'll look something like this. Alright, so I have mine bookmarked already, so that's why the password showed up already. So here you're just going to type in your password, whatever that may be. And you're just going to hit connect. So don't worry about this. Technically, regular FTP is very unsafe as far as being able to sniff packets of data, but for our purposes, it'll be fine for right now. So as you can see, I already have a couple of things in here already. So what I can do is, if I have something on here already, I can just drag this right onto my desktop. This new window will come open called Transfers. Just hit OK again, and you can see that I now have a copy of classa.html on my desktop and on my actual server space right here. So, and if I want to put a file, like for example reminder RTF, do the same thing. Just drag it from the desktop and put it onto here, and away we go. So, yep. That's it. Thank you for tuning in, and have a good day.